Hi guys, welcome to Kodemine. Karrie here. So the next topic is email, right? So let me write down here. So email is our next topic, and what is the benefit of that? For that we will go into the file menu and we click on to the email, right? So here in email I have a two option: email this file or email collaborators, right? So this is the one of the beautiful option I have, right? Here in this email option I do not need, for example, I want to send this file in an email to someone, right? So how can I do that? So in this email, this file is like click on email this file, right? And if I click on this, you guys can see a email box in appear in front of me, email this file, right? Here I just need to add a user where I want to send a file, right? And if you want to add yourself also, I can add send yourself a copy, right? Or I can add multiple users, right? And I will see that hi, I can also add a subject here of the email, and you guys can see here, hi, please check this file. So I am writing a just a scrap message here, right? So next option, do not attach or include content in the email, right? I do not want to attach the file, I just want to add the content of that file. I will select that option, right? But in case I want to share the file, I just select here the different option, right? I can select PDF, rich text, open document, HTML, Word, MS Word, or plain text, right? So PDF I am selecting right now, and I am trying to send a email. So I select send option, I click on send, and I will check that whether I got that file or not. So I am opening my Gmail account here, so I will check that whether I got something or not. So it's taking some time. So you guys can see here I got a email, right? And I got my Google Docs.pdf, right? So this is one of the very beautiful and very useful option into the Google Docs, right? You guys can see here the PDF, Google Doc PDF. So the same file which I have here in Google Docs, right, that is available here in Google email, right? So directly I select this file option and I click on this file, right? And I just send that file as an attachment to the multiple user, right? And what is the next option in the file, then email, and then email collaborators, right? Here we have a, if we want to send a file to our editors, right? So basically the thing is same. For example, I want to send a file to my collaborator, for example the person who are editing a file with me, right? So this is for them, right? So this is one of the beautiful options. For here I do not need to send a attachment, right? Why? Because the file is already shared with them, right? So they can simply get an email that okay, this is something, and you guys can edit because already they have access of that file, right? So this is a very simple way to send a notification kind of thing to the collaborators, right? So hope you guys enjoy this video, right? If you guys have any query, any question, just comment into the comment box how you feel about the video, right? And my request to the new user who are new on this video, kindly subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos, right? So thanks for watching, have a very good day.